In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use points in the McDonald's app. Step 1. Open the app and log in. Launch the McDonald's app on your phone and sign into your account. Step 2. Check your points. Look at the top of the app or in the rewards section to see your current points balance. Step 3. Go to Rewards or Deals. Tap on the Rewards or Deals tab to browse what you can get using your points. Step 4. Pick your reward. Scroll through the available options and choose the item you'd like to claim. Step 5. Redeem your reward. Tap the Redeem button next to your selected reward. Step 6. Confirm redemption. Confirm your choice and a unique code will be generated for you. Step 7. Use your code in store. Show or scan your code at the kiosk, present it at the counter, or share it at the drive-thru. And finally, Step 8. Enjoy. Claim and enjoy your free food or item. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.